Welcome to Reed Natural Supply. On today's episode, we're making sourdough cinnamon rolls. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make delicious sourdough cinnamon rolls from scratch. Perfect for breakfast or a sweet treat any time of day. Let's get started. First, we will take our butter in a large bowl and pop it into the microwave to melt. In a second large bowl, we will combine our dry ingredients: flour, baking soda, baking powder, and salt, and set it aside. Thanks to the baking powder and the baking soda, we don't have to ferment this dough like we would an ordinary sourdough. Before I share the recipe, I want to first test out fermenting the dough and leaving out the baking powder and baking soda, so come back for that. Now in the bowl with the melted butter, we will add our honey, water, sourdough starter, give the wet ingredients a good mix. Then we're going to add in our dry ingredients to form our dough. Start by mixing in the bowl and then finish by kneading on the counter until a soft, smooth dough forms. You can use a stand mixer with a dough hook attachment if you'd like. Now, in a small bowl, we will make our cinnamon roll filling. We will take soft butter and combine it with our brown sugar and cinnamon, mixing until it is fully combined. After making the filling mixture, set it aside, and now we will roll out our dough. You want the dough to be nice and thin so that you get a good swirl in your rolls. Aim for around a 1/4 inch thick on the dough. It is now time to fill the cinnamon rolls with our cinnamon sugar filling. You can use a spoon, a knife, or the method I prefer is the offset spatula like you would use to frost a cake. Once you spread the filling, it is time to rolling from the long side. After completely rolled, you want to pinch the seam to help keep it from popping open in the oven. Cut them into even slices and place them in your baking pan that has been greased or lined with parchment paper. Place the cinnamon rolls into your preheated oven and bake until golden and bubbly. While they are baking, I prepared a vanilla cream cheese icing for the tops of them. Once they're cooled, ice them and enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun and delicious videos. Okay. Alright, little bear, what are we doing?
Having a taste
Of what?
cinnamon roll.
Cinnamon rolls. Do you think they're gonna be yummy?
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm super excited.
Super excited.
This is really exciting.
It's pretty tasty, wouldn't you say?
I would say it's delicious.
We'll have to make them again. Maybe we'll make them for Christmas breakfast. Would that be a good idea?
It's a great idea.
Mm-hmm.